Hello and welcome to the Intuitive Tarot. It's time again to find out the current energies of your person, their intentions for you, possible next actions, and outcome of your connection in the near future. This will be a collective timeless reading, so the energies between you and your person might be interchangeable. Do not try to fit in yourself in any situation, and for detailed personal reading, you can email me on the email ID given in the description box below. Universe, please guide me and tell me what are the current energies, feelings, and thoughts of the viewer's person for them. We have the card of Ten of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, Six of Pentacles, and at the bottom we have Two of Wands in reverse. So with these cards, I can see that whoever you are dealing with has tried to move on from you but has miserably failed in all these attempts. I can see that this person might be facing challenges in this connection because of the interference of their family, and this person is now awakening to the fact that they cannot forget you. This person cannot move on from you. This person cannot get rid of your memories. Okay, so I can see that your person is ready to fight with whoever comes in the way of this connection. This person is truly uh, concerned about you, truly wants to be with you, and can fight any challenge coming in the way in making this connection balanced again. Okay, this person is going through his or her awakening and is getting a deeper understanding of the fact that they want to be with you once more. Okay, so we will now take some more cards and try to find out. See, I can also see that your person is has been very anxious about your connection and wants to get himself or herself out of this energy, and they want to bring about a balance in the association once more. So we will now try to find out what are the intentions of your person for you. What are the intentions of the viewer's person for them? Please guide. See, we have this card upright this time. We have the Nine of Swords, Seven of Wands in reverse. We have the Six of Swords in reverse, and at the bottom of the deck we have the King of Swords. So with these, I get that your person is very, very anxious at this point in time. This person is very much concerned about their image, their societal image. What opinion do people have about him or her? And I can also see that this person is being very, very defensive because of the same. Okay, as they feel that it will be very difficult to get back to you and make things smooth once again. But they want to take things forward quite practically. Okay, they want to be honest with you this time, and your person might be even consulting others regarding your association. They might be taking opinion of some of their well wishers, and they are being guided. We are taking all these cards from the bottom of the deck. Okay, your person is being guided that they should give you a solid foundation and offer to make this connection better once more. Okay, your person is thinking of reuniting with you. Okay, this is a card of reunion, which is telling that your person is thinking in the line of coming back to you and making his or her life joyful once again with you. Okay, and your person is very, very fearful if they will be able to do things rightly this time or not. Okay, they are scared of losing you. This person might be losing his or her night's sleep, might be depressed, might be very fearful, and this person is overthinking. See, so many swords here. Swords denote thinking, thoughts, and this person appears to be very, very anxious. All right. So now we will try to look into the obstacles in your connection. Why is your person not coming towards you at speed and with the making efforts to put things straight, back online, back in line? Okay. What are the problems and difficulties in the progress of the viewer's connection? Universe, please guide us. We already have one card. We have the card of the Chariot. Judgment. The High Priestess in reverse. And Three of Pentacles in reverse. So see, your person is very hopeful. This is the card below the bottom. This was the card below the bottom card. Okay, your person is quite hopeful and is gaining a very deep understanding, is self-realizing that they need to come back to you. For some time they have been thinking of coming back to you at speed. But they are scared that it will be difficult to team up with you because they have hidden some secrets from you. We will clarify this card. Okay. Why do we have the High Priestess in reverse? Why do we have the High Priestess in reverse? We have the card of the Lovers. We have the Nine of Swords again, and at the bottom we have the Nine of Wands in reverse. So, see, it is very evident here that your person has kept secrets from you. What secrets have this person kept? This person has kept a secret that they have had choices in the past. They have juggled you with some third energy. They have kept you as an option, and this is making them restless now. Okay, there is a very strong possibility of presence of a third party in your connection. It could be so that the third party was present here in the past. It is not present anymore, but your person is repenting on the choices that he or she has made in the past. Okay, and this is making them very, very fearful and underconfident to approach you. So the major obstacle in your connection is that your person has put you in third party situation, has brought in third energy in your connection, and is now scared of approaching you because they are afraid of your reaction. How will you treat them now? Okay, and they also might be scared of the opinion of the people around them about their image. How will people react that this person keeps meandering from one person to another? Okay, so these are the problems in the progress of your connection. Now we are trying to look into the possibilities of next actions from your person. What can be the next actions from the viewer's person? So we will try to look into the next actions of your person for you in the coming times, in the near future. We again have the Nine of Swords in reverse. This card has appeared for the fourth time, I guess, in this reading. And this clearly states that your person is very, very anxious. He or she is trying to get over this energy very badly. This person is very frightened. Their state is not good. Their mental state does not appear to be very good at this point in time. We have the Queen of Wands. We have the Knight of Wands. And then we have the Seven of Pentacles in reverse. So from these cards, I can see that whoever you are dealing with is getting very impatient and very, very anxious and frightened and is in a very fearful energy at this point in time because they're very attracted to you. Okay, this person is very, very attracted to you on one hand, and on the other hand, this person is very well aware that his or her tendency of not being stable has led them to this energy. Okay, their tendency of not being very stable and their to and fro hot and cold attitude has led them to this energy of Nine of Swords. Okay, and I can also see here that your person wants to come back to your speed, to you at speed, and in the coming times also I can see that this person will approach you, will give you uh, an offer as advised to them by their advisors, as we have seen earlier, and is getting very impatient for that. Okay, because your person is has might have completely lost his or her sleep. Okay, because of the attraction that they are feeling there, and the impatience that has cropped up in their heart and mind. This person will approach you in the times to come, okay, with an offer. But again, they are scared because of the opinion of those around them, and because of their attitude of having put you in a third party situation. You could be dealing with somebody who is very stubborn and is scared of losing you. Okay, this person is also scared of a rejection from your side. So these energies all together have made them come in the energy of Nine of Swords, and this card has appeared 4 times in this reading. But your person wants to bring about balance in the situation with you. Now we'll try to find out what can be the near future outcome of your connection. What can be the near future outcome of the viewer's connection? We already have one card. We have the card of the Tower, Five of Pentacles. Then we have the Seven of Pentacles upright. And at the bottom of the deck, we have the Nine of Wands. So with these cards, I can see that your connection has gone gone through complete breakdown in the past, and you people are feeling very lost. This could be the energy of you or your person, or both of you, either of you or both of you. You are feeling lost, left out in the cold. You people are not seeing any future with each other, and you are waiting patiently. But in the coming times, as far as I can see, in the near future, you people will take you people will wait for the other person to approach you. You will not take any action from your side, and you will take time to react. Okay, whatever has happened in the past has given you a lesson, and you people, my viewers, will definitely be positive and confident about themselves in the times to come, and will wait for an approach from your person and take time to give a reaction. I do not see you people accepting your person if they reach out to you immediately or spontaneously. As soon as they come, you will not give a reaction, a spontaneous reaction. You will wait and watch, judge them, and only then you will think of giving a response or a reaction to them. Okay, so we'll take some guidance from the universe with another deck. We have universe, please guide me. What suggestion would you like to give to the viewer of this reading? We have the card of let go of control issues. Children, keep an open mind. At the bottom of the deck, we have the card of soulmate. So with these cards, I get that you do not have to be very controlling in this connection. If the other person has been controlling over you, then you are being suggested to allow this situation to unfold naturally. and there are chances of this connection of yours being affected by children. Okay, there either there is a presence of children which is not letting you people get back in the situation, or because of children you are facing some problems in your connection. Then we have the card of keep an open mind, which says your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations, which means that whoever you are dealing with might not be your might not be someone whom about whom you have dreamt of. Okay, and you have to accept your whoever you are dealing with the way they are. Okay, you have to accept them the way they are. If you can do that, your connection will progress. Else, it's up to you. So this was your reading for today. If you like watching such videos, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Keep smiling. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.